Welcome student. This is seventh part of important MCQs of applied mathematics. Question number 41 is integration of sine log x dx upon x is minus cos log x plus c. Then question number 42 is integration of under root a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine raised to minus 1 x by a plus c. Question number 43 is in by part integration uv dx answer is u integration v dx minus integration du upon dx integration v dx into dx. Integration cos 2x dx is equal to what? It is sine 2x by 2 plus c. Integration of dx by x log x is equal to log into log x plus c. Integration of sine cube x into cos x dx is equal to sine x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Question number 47 is integration of dx upon x plus a is equal to what? It is equal to log into x plus a plus c. Question number 48 is integration of sine under root x upon under root x dx is equal to minus cos under root x plus c. For integration by parts, which sequence is correct to find first second function? It is LIATE. Then next is 50 question is in integration by partial fraction values of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, then integration dx upon x into x plus 1 is log x plus c upon x plus 1. Integration of a to b kfx dx is equal to answer is b, that is a integration a fx dx plus c. Then question number 52 is integration of 1 to 3 dx square dx is equal to 26 by 3. Integration of 1 to 2 dx upon 3x minus 2 is 1 by 3 log of 4. Question number 54 is integration of 0 to 1 ex dx is e raised to minus 1. Then question number 55 is integration of 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x square is pi by 2. Then integration of log x dx is equal to 1. Define integral 0 to 1 fx dx. It is 0 to a f a minus x dx. Define integral a to b fx dx. It is integration a to b f in bracket a plus b minus x dx. Question number 59 is integration of 0 to pi by 2 is cos x plus sin x dx. It is pi by 2. Question number 60 is integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 by 1 plus n under root tan x dx is, it is pi by 12. Area under the curve y is equal to sin x from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi and x-axis is 2. Question number 62 is area bounded by curve y is equal to x cube from x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 and x-axis is 20. Question number 63 is the volume of the solid generated by revolving the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 about x-axis is 16 pi cubic units. Question number 64 is the area enclosed by curve y is equal to x, y is equal to x square is 1 by 6. Area between two parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y is 16 by 3. Question number 66 is an equation involving derivatives, it is called as differential equation. Order of differential equation is highest order derivatives appearing in differential equation. If the number of arbitrary constant in equation is equal is 2, then order of differential equation is 2. If y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, how many arbitrary are? These are the two. The order and degree of differential equation d square y by dx square plus under root 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. It is order 2 and degree 2. Formation of DE differential equation y is equal to ax square is x into dy by dx is equal to 2y. Then formation of DE y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x is d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. The dE dy by dx plus py is equal to q is of the form linear. In linear differential equation, dy upon dx plus y is equal to x cube. Value of p and q are p is equal to 1 and q is equal to x cube. The integrating factor of LD linear differential equation dy upon dx plus y cot x is equal to cos square x is sec x. Integrating factor of differential equation x dy upon dx plus y is equal to x cube is x. Then solution of differential equation is xy is equal to x raised to 4 plus c. Question number 77 is integrating factor of differential equation dy upon dx plus y cot x is equal to cosec x it is sin x. Question number 78 is the solution of differential equation dy upon dx is equal to e raised to 3x minus 2y plus x square e raised to minus 2y. It is e raised to 2y by 2 is equal to e raised to 3x by 3 plus x cube by 3 plus c. Question number 79 is if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, then the root of x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 using bisection method up to 2 iteration is 2.25. If the function is defined as fx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1 between the interval minus 1 and 0, then the root of function of bisection method is minus 0.25. The formula used for solving the equation using Regula-Falsi method is x is equal to afb minus bfa upon fb minus fa. The root of the equation x log x is equal to 1.2 lies between 2 and 3 using Regula-Falsi method up to 2 iterations is 2.7400. The iterative formula for Newton-Raphson method, it is given by x1 is equal to x0 minus fxo by fxo. Use Newton-Raphson method for the approximate value 3 under root 20 is x. It is 2.715. Question number 85 is if fx is equal to 0 has a root between a and b, fa and fb are of dash signs, it is of opposite signs. The rate of convergence of Gauss-Seidel method is twice that of the Jacobi.